This is complex fraction problem number 6. First, I'm going to change this mixed number to a fraction by multiplying 6 by 11 to get 66. Then we add the numerator, which is also 6, and that gives us 72. And the denominator stays the same, it stays in 11. Then we need to change the 16 to a fraction. You can make any integer a fraction by placing it over 1. So that takes care of step 1, convert both the numerator and denominator to fractions. Step 2, change out the fraction bar for another division symbol. So we're going to trade it out for this division symbol. We need to remember that the numerator goes first. Numerator we write first. Then the denominator we record second. And then step 3, use the keep, change, reciprocal method to change division to multiplication, and then multiply. So keep, change, reciprocal. So we keep the 72 over 11. We change division to multiplication, and then we record the reciprocal of 16. We're going to multiply across. 72 times 1 is 72. All right, then we multiply 16 by 11. And 6 times 1 gives us 6. 1 times 1 is 1. And then we need a 0 to hold the place. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. And together that makes 176. Then we reduce. I see that the 1's place contains a 2 and this one contains a 6. They're both even, so we can split these each in half. Half of 70 is 35, and half of 2 is 1. So that means that half of 72 is 36. Then when I split 176 in half, I really like to do it where I split 176 into 100 and 70 and 6. Half of 100 is 50, half of 70 is 35, half of 6 is 3, and then I add those together. 50 plus 35 is 85, plus 3 is 88. You could also use long division for that. 36 and 88, I can divide them each by 4. 36 divided by 4 gives me 9. 88 divided by 4 gives me 22. So our answer is 9 over 22. We'll do this one more way. Now we're going to reduce first and then multiply. 72 and 16 can both be divided by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 72 divided by 8 is 9. And then you can't reduce that further, and you can't reduce 11 and 1 diagonally. So we go ahead and multiply across, and we get 9 over 22. So we get the same answer either way. Whatever method you prefer is fine with me.